Afternoon, we're doing select hobbies baseball for Nicholas. A thick pack there. Jazz Chisholm rookie. Max Fried blue. Tatis Phenoms. Brandon Woodruff jersey. Sensations Luis Robert. Jones a rookie. Luis Garcia. Madrigal. Hill. Tatis. Here a Prism. Machado Moonshots. Bohm rookie. Guzman. Anthony Santander. Finally something super low numbered. 1 of 10 gold. First gold we've seen. Aquino. Hey.
Hello, how are you?
Zebra Anthony Rendon.
Well,
I wasn't saying hey to you, but hey.
he's streaming live, so.
Travis Blankenship.
Anything special you're looking for today?
Do you all buy cards or what? Or you just trade them? You just sell them?
6
we
of
do,
10.
on
Man, what a box
the
pick.
ones that we can resell.
Vladimir Guerrero Jr.
I got I don't even know how many I got.
Okay.
Nicholas, very nice.
But the older they are, the better, right?
Typically, it just depends on the manufacturer of the
Congratulations,
card, who the
man.
card is, of what condition the card is in.
So if I bring some in, will he be able to tell me if they worth anything? I mean,
Yeah.
Christian Javier.
So I want to bring some 2083s, 2070s, and some 50s in if I can
9 of 99.
together
Sure.
and let him just look at
Jared Oliva.
Sure.
tell me to go home and come back again.
Okay.
Because I just got boxes and boxes.
So, are they from 1980s and 1990s?
They all the way back.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Sure.
I didn't even know you all were here.
Been here almost 29 years.
Good Lord Jesus. Hey, man, hold on just a minute, okay? That's my
Garrett
daughter.
Crotchet.
That's my daughter. Okay, I had to answer my baby. You've been here that long?
Yeah, we have.
When my office was right down the street, and I had to find out.
Nicholas, thanks, man. Anything else?